One-day conference was organized by YIPFT Khowai West Division on Sunday. YIPFT President Bikas Debarma, Office Secretary Rabi Debarma, IPFT Khowai West Division President Samuel Debarma, IWFT Khowai West Division President Saromika Debarma and others were present. On that day, the YIPFT new committee was formed with 35 members. Sanjay Debarma was appointed as the new committee president, Pranay Debarma as a vice president, and Chito Debarma appointed as office secretary.
22 তারিখ জুন 2025 Chini Khowai West Division YIPFT kesamno sabai ketal komite khajaka teo ketal komite o tini barjangai president barjangai nahaka ang nijino Sanjay Debarma te vice president tongo Chini Jakok Arbindo Debarma te secretary tongo Chini Pranay Debarma organizing secretary tongo Chiranjit Debarma office secretary tongo Chitra Gupta te cashier tongo Jinku te executive prai total 35 members uti jeng kaisa committee khaga jeng chino committee ni khamani main moto ho abono chini lai thangjak 2020 kaisa committee khamani o committee jeng bebak tongmani no kintu ba buskango 21 বিভিন্ন ষড়যন্ত্রের মাধ্যমে বা আদার্স পলিটিক্যাল ni sabok paksa asukha te je asugya tongnai rok tabok buskang awgui samung khainan bage chai tokka tei jara asugui tongai kuno party o thangya ko borgo haina hai phaipine bai samai kawri absungno tei to kuno kok ketal rokrai chini committee jeng ta buskang tam khaiman chini party IPFT to tam khai jeng subaiman ching dok tam khai subaiman obo jeng step na hari buskang samung khailene Congratulations.
Reported by Biplav from Khowai, Chini Khorang.
Ini party IPFT ni beda, your IPFT, samung khaitani